Hey dudes, John here, and welcome to another, I guess it's going to be unboxing, because this was just dropped off at our doorstep. The boys came inside and said, Dad, look, we got another package. I can kind of make out what it's from, other than the fact that it's coming from California. It's all scuffed up on the tag, so it's going to be news to me. I really have no idea what this is. I'm hoping it's safe. We'll find out. Let's grab our handy dandy knife and crack this sucker open and see what's in this box. This is the biggest box we've gotten so far, which is kind of cool. What's in the box? You guys get to see before I do. What is this? MEL Science. Oh, I remember these guys. They sent us an email a while back. MEL Chemistry. Let's go ahead and pull the box down. We'll pull it out one by one. So it looks like this is like a science kit. If you guys have heard of a company called Tinker Crate, it's similar to that, kind of, except for this is more intended towards middle schoolers on up. And we've been kind of looking for something like this for a while, and then these guys contacted us just shortly after Ethan and I were saying, because we subscribe to Tinker's Crate, and Tinker's Crate is great. I'm not going to knock Tinker's Crate, but it's a little too old for Liam to use, but way too young for Ethan to use. He puts the kits together really quickly and feels that they're not very challenging, so we wanted something a little more challenging, and then these guys surprisingly just randomly contacted us and said, hey, check us out. So we did, and this is really cool. So this is the starter kit. We're going to crack that open in just a second, but then they have multiple science kits. You can go and buy all these different science kits, and the initial setup is, I'll put a link in the description below on how you order it and whatnot. They come with multiple science kits. So the initial kit is free, and you order 2 different science kits. So we got this one here they sent us. It looks like tin, which is kind of cool. And then this one here is the chemistry of monsters. Also kind of cool. I don't know what's entailed in these. What I do know is these are like legit science experiments. These are not just little tinkering around, messing around stuff. This is like actual chemistry, actual science stuff. And you'll see what I mean when I crack this guy open. And they also sent us, it looks like a VR headset for our phone. I don't know what that's going to be used for, but we'll find out, right? Let's go ahead and crack this guy open. All right, pop that open. There we go. Whoa, I see like metal in here. This is crazy. All right, so it looks like warning for not suitable for children under 12. Now, mind you, if you have kids, like Ethan is 10. He's going to be 11 this year. So I'm going to probably do the experiments with him just for safety's sake. Other than that, I think he's very capable in doing this stuff. But look at this, dudes. Let's get into this thing, right? So we got a periodic table. A really nice periodic table. I wish I had something like this when I was growing up. I had a really lame one that was laminated inside my binder. Dumb. This is actually really cool looking. And then we have our kit here. So it looks like we have a tray. A little plastic tray that it comes with. And look at this. This is legit. Look at this. It comes with safety. Safety first. Safety is our number 1 priority. So it comes with 2 safety goggles. Perfect for one for Ethan, one for Liam there. Because Liam's going to be helping us out as well. What does it come with? It comes with little stoppers, looks like for the beaker. Then it comes with another measuring. These are like legit, like Pyrex looking glass. I don't know if they are Pyrex or not, but they look legit so far. And then this comes with corks, as well as tube holes. There's like these corks have 2 tube holes in this one in this one, and none in this one. It looks like so you can plug up the beaker there. Comes with a cool little funnel. Probably to fill that up as well. Comes with some cups here, probably for the different experiments. It comes with quite a few, actually. Like that's probably like 50 cups there. What's over here? It comes with this giant syringe. Not the kind with a needle on it. And then this looks like I'm going to guess this is a phone stand. Maybe to look at instructions or stuff. Or maybe to record. I'm not sure. We'll figure that out. And then this is, what is this? No way. We have one of these, but that's cool that it comes with it. It comes with a macro lens for your phone. That's what this is. So you can actually see up close the things you are making. So it comes with a macro lens for your smartphone. That's freaking awesome. All right, so we'll put that back in its pouch. And then what is this in this metal container here? It opens up. It looks like it's got instructions to open up like so. What is this? I really don't know. Well, I'll have to figure that out. We'll figure out what this is. It's just like a... I don't know. We'll figure out what that is. as well. It looks like it comes with a couple coasters to set hot things on, probably like a trivet. And what is this guy here? Oh, I get it. Is this guy like a way to burn things? I bet you it is. I bet you put a candle in there, and then this is the way you heat things with this set. Like a Bunsen burner, except for we don't have gas, so we don't have a Bunsen burner. So I'm guessing if you put like a little tea light underneath there, there you go. You got yourself a little torch, a little way to heat the chemicals. That is freaking cool. That looks like everything that comes in this kit. Let's go ahead and move this stuff. I would throw the packaging like I normally do, but we're going to actually use this stuff, and I don't want to damage any of it. So let me go ahead and put it all back in. And then we have these chemistry kits. We're going to go ahead and crack these open too. Now, we're not going to do any of the science experiments right now. However, if you guys want to take a look, like right over here, I'll put a link somewhere at the bottom right here or in the description below of where you can actually see us doing the science experiments on the other channel. It kind of pertains more to that channel as well. That way, it's more Ethan, Liam, and I doing the experiments together. And you guys can check out all the results and everything from these specific experiments. Now, this is the chemistry of monsters, and it has like full-on instructions here, what to set up, how to set it up on the board right here. Then it has a couple of these little cards, a sugar snake and a burning sugar, and how to. Oh, looks like we make our own fuel. Well, that's freaking cool. We legit make our own fuel out of this. This is freaking awesome. And it comes with all different chemicals in here. And this is your kit, what you actually do your science experiment with. I think that so far I'm like thoroughly impressed. When we run this will be the true test to see how well it works and how easy the instructions are to read. But so far they seem pretty straightforward and pretty simple. Let's go ahead and open up the other one just to see if that's the same across the board. And I think there's like 30 of these different experiments on there. So if you did this, monthly, you wouldn't run out. If you did, the initial one with 2, then every month you did another one. It'd be kind of a cool thing for your kids to do because they're physically learning something. It's not like some of the other crates out there where they're just assembling something really quick and then it gets tossed aside. This is a kit that you'd probably keep for a really long time, and at the same time teaching them chemistry while you're at it, which is, I think, really important in this day and age, considering there aren't that many chemistry pushes in education. So let's go ahead and take a look at this one here. We can throw that packaging, right? It came back to me. There's a fan over here. It's blowing back at me. All right, this is chemistry of... This is tin. Well, this looks freaking unique as heck. Look at that picture. Hopefully we get something like that. That would be freaking sick. All right, let's take a look inside. And yeah, it looks like we're going to be doing the same type of thing. It's got the same type of instructions in there, what to do with your phone, and then heating up things. So does it look like we make our own fuel again? It's got a battery this time. We have some Petri dishes. I'm guessing we have to somehow use the electricity to create this shape with a tin. One way, shape, or form. It's got gloves in here. It's got some paper clips and a bunch of random chemicals. But yeah, dudes, MEL Science. Check this out. Legit science for your kids to do over the summer. Can't go wrong. This is fantastic. I think it is. I think Ethan's going to have a freaking blast. I'm going to have a blast. I'm going to enjoy doing this with him.